petition before the Supreme Court to declare BBM as incapacitated because of his drug addiction. Yun ang ano. And I told her to prepare the petition and then we will ask the senator to file the petition upon the support of PDP Laban. Talagang that's the best way, the easiest way to declare. Kasi wag na kayong mag-isip, wag na kayong managinip na magde-declare siya ng incapacity niya sa sarili niya. She will never do that. That is why I don't know if some of you, in our text messages, that text messages natin, I jokingly, although baka sakayan, I jokingly said, I will negotiate, I will volunteer to negotiate the free conduct pass of BBM. Baka mapapasa niya. Because sabi niya po, sige nga, i-negotiate mo para makalis na kami. Of course, that is far-fetched. That is why the best move is for Senator Amy Marcos to file that petition to declare the president incapacitated. Based on her allegation, I suppose it is supported by evidence that the president is a drug addict. Eh, pagka-drug addict ka, wala na. I know a lot of people na naging addict, and when you're an addict, wala ka ng papasok.